Hi everyone, FixBond here. A dead or bulging battery doesn't always mean you need to buy a new one. Today, we're optimizing this drone's power system. We're swapping out the old, degraded internal cells for premium high-density replacements. I'll walk you through the entire restoration teardown, cell swapping, and the crucial BMS calibration. It's all about getting the most value and flight time out of your gear. Let's jump straight into the teardown.